Today on Animal Fact Files, we're discussing Bala sharks. Although these fish have the common name shark, they aren't sharks. In fact, they're not even marine fish. Bala sharks are freshwater fish that are part of the minnow and carp family. They get the name shark because they are similarly shaped to the iconic carnivorous fish with a torpedo-shaped body and long, pointed fins. In Bala sharks, the tail fins specifically are multicolored orange and yellow with dark bands, giving rise to another of their common names, the tricolored sharkminnow. The name sharkminnow at least alludes to the fish's true nature. Their burnt-colored tail also lends to another common name, which is the burnt-tailed carp. So if using shark for a non-shark fish doesn't suit you, there's an alternative. Bala sharks are relatively well known in the aquarium trade, however they've all but been wiped out from their native range. These fish hail from freshwater rivers and lakes of Southeast Asia. Unfortunately, due to overharvesting for the pet trade, habitat destruction, and pollution, Bala shark populations have been in a decline since the 1970s. In many places they once swam abundantly, they no longer even exist. These fish are bred in captivity for the pet trade. However, their numbers haven't bounced back through much of their native range, and they're still extinct in some locales. Bala sharks live in deep waters of larger rivers and lakes. They tend to stay near the bottom of the water column, and they swim in shoals. In captivity, it's recommended to have at least 5 Bala sharks in a group to keep them content. At first, this may not seem like much, as they're only a few inches long as juveniles. But as they age, these fish can reach over a foot long, meaning they need plenty of space for activities. Plus, much like their namesake, Bala sharks are active swimmers, preferring plenty of room to roam. In the wild, they do this by venturing into flooded forests during the rainy season. It may even be here that they mate. Little is known about Bala shark breeding in the wild. It's assumed that, similar to many of their relatives, these fish migrate upstream to spawn. They likely form large breeding aggregations and produce sperm and eggs externally before leaving their offspring to fend for themselves. This strategy is often employed by animals who might otherwise eat their young, and the Bala shark is no exception. These fish love to dine on smaller animals such as crustaceans, rotifers, and insect larvae. They'll also eat phytoplankton. Throughout most of the year, it's difficult to tell a Bala shark female from a male. They all sport silver scales with large eyes and their fiery fins. However, during the breeding season, likely to accommodate for her eggs, a female's belly becomes more noticeably round in comparison to the male's belly. Something else worth noting about this fish's appearance is that it has a backwards-facing lip pocket. In fact, their genus name refers to this as it means bag lip. For more facts on Bala sharks, check out the links below. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Thank you to our patrons, SpikeSpiegel93, Dad, and everyone else for their support of this channel. And thank you for watching Animal Fact Files.